The Utah Web Development 2 course is designed to be a semester-long high school level course that expands on the concepts covered in the Utah Web Development 1 course. Prior to taking the course, students should have completed the first course and also be familiar with the basics of JavaScript. The course is laid out in 7 modules, including 2 projects and 1 module that is an overlap from the first semester course. The first module has students jumping right in and applying JavaScript code to websites. Students will build and edit sites by accessing the DOM. In the second module, students will be taking styling to a new level as they learn to apply Bootstrap, which is a CSS framework model. After completing a Bootstrap project, students will dive into data storage using Firebase, and then they'll look at the basic steps needed to maintain a website. The final project has students creating a multi-page website based on a recent innovation. And as mentioned before, this last module covering careers is a duplicate from the first semester, so if the students took the first semester course, this module could be skipped.